So these are the stock pedals on my Model S P85. These were an upgraded option, and if you look at how they're installed, it's just basically a rubber backing that goes over the pedal, and it goes on. And these are pretty expensive from Tesla, but you can get them online from China, and the ones from the Model S also fit on the Model 3. So I'm going to install a set today. Should be pretty quick, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, so here I am on my Model 3. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take off the stock cover, and it just basically, you can pull on it and it'll come right off. That will reveal the metal plate underneath. And then here is my pedal that just came in from China. And so a set of these, which is the brake and the gas, was $30 shipped from China. And so now I'm going to upgrade it. This will go right on the stock one, where stock one was, and that'll be my pedal. So here you see it just goes right on over the top, and then on the bottom you just pull the rubber out, and that'll make it so that it's held on. You pull the rubber around the backside of the pedal, and that'll hold it on. And once you're done with that, you go all the way across, then you're done. And this is actually wider than the stock pad that it comes with, and it looks better. Super easy to install, takes less than a minute. Let me do both of them, and then I'll show you the final product.